I will write here. The text should be brought in the middle. Yes, it came in the middle. I have changed the text font here, so that the writing looks more beautiful. Select layer and we will go to Effect Control. Select the pen and select around the text. I will point around. I will select the clock of mask path. When it comes to the mask, we will drag the selected effect to the left side. And from where we will finish the effect of the text, select this place in the video. And drag the effect to the right until the text is finished. We can play the video to see how it went. I will make mask feather 700. So that the text has an effect, and we will replay the video to see how it went. The text will come out sooner if we bring it closer to this point. As you can see now. Subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching the video.